you know, one thing I'm definitely not used to out here is all this quietness. I mean, listen, you don't hear nothing. It's quiet. No freeway noise. I mean, once in a while I hear a train go by off in the distance over that way, but that's about it. It's quiet. There's a backyard, porch. Yep, it's quiet. I mean, it's a regular street. Yep. I was standing out here last night about 4 o'clock in the morning, just listening. And you know what I heard? Not a fucking thing. For 20 years, I've been hearing the freeway right behind my house. Now, nothing. I mean, I didn't even hear a wind or anything. It was like dead quiet. Gotta get used to that.